Hi everyone, today we are going to show you the new automated support feature we launched. If you are a community manager, you must have had tiring interactions with users, asking the same questions again and again, asking when something will be launched or how to use your product or game or even how to start using your developer tools. Our FAQ bot has all the answers for this problem. It uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to analyze the most commonly asked questions in your server and automatically respond back to questions asked. Using the FAQ bot is super simple. The first thing you need to do is create a server in your Discord and add BotDisco to the server. To do this, go to BotDisco.com and click Build for Free and follow the steps. Now, once you have added BotDisco in your server, go to BotDisco dashboard and then go to the FAQ tab. Here, you already see the 3 pre-filled questions which you can try in your server. It also allows users to vote whether the answer was useful or not. So the moderators on the server can know if the answer is a satisfied response to the user's request. Now, let's test the FAQ bot in our channel by testing what is BotDisco prompt. As we see, the bot replies to the exact same query as we put in the FAQ bot, but we can also reply to other questions that have the same meaning, such as tell me more about BotDisco or can someone tell me what BotDisco does? Now, let's edit this question as to when a new product is launching. When is the next NFT drop? And let's fill out the answer. And now you no longer have to reply to every query that asks for the next NFT drop. Visit www.botdisco.com and add BotDisco to your server to use the FAQ bot to answer anything and everything.